tape down stuff into his potato.
Yes.
Body language expert Tanya Ryman analyzed his performance for Inside Edition and says his answers were carefully rehearsed and at times deceptive.
His coaching went a little too far because he hesitated, thought about what he needed to remember to say, and then said it.
Armstrong looked anxious and angry at times during the 90-minute interview. He actually would touch his face so much it looked like the makeup was wiped off his face.
It was. I think the total was roughly 25 times that he brought his hand to his face. And when we see this, you recognize there's a very high level of anxiety.
She told me his body language shows he was protecting himself.
Виски морда туда влазит.
She starts to speak, and he starts to become more verbally as his legs starts to close. And when we see that, typically that's because men will close up, as will women, and more so, to cover up their abdominal area. It's incredibly significant because it shows us his mindset.
But if he believed his Oprah confession would win him forgiveness, he was wrong. Did you feel bad about it? The head of the anti-doping agency fired back at Armstrong Friday.
Кто в
saying
Бусике
he
же играл
lied
вчера?
and gave weasel answers. Armstrong claimed the interview is just the start of a process of earning people's forgiveness.
I'll spend the rest of my life trying to earn back trust and apologize to people for the rest of my life.
Burglars beware. Don't mess with this machete mom who kept an intruder at bay with her trusty sword.
You be talking to you? What are you doing in here?
Imagine waking from a deep sleep and seeing Mr. standing over you, wielding a razor-sharp machete.
How did you get in here?
That's what Carol Ann wanted to know. As she waved her weapon over an intruder, she started sleeping on her couch. Now let's start at the beginning on what was an otherwise ordinary morning at Terrell's home in Sacramento, California.
I'm just walking, going for my morning coffee. I look, I'm like,
She says a young stranger was sound asleep in her living room.
come on around, and I just slapped his feet off the couch, and then he startled me. And I'm asking him, what you doing with your feet up on my couch? And he's like, I don't know, ma'am, I don't know, I'm sorry, ma'am, I'm so sorry.
Then Carol, an IT specialist, noticed her window had been smashed in and her valuables had been piled on the floor. The intruder had apparently taken a nap in the middle of a break-in. Did Carol panic? She did not. She decided to put him in jail.
Just stay right here. You look a little out of it, let me go make you a cup of coffee.
Instead, she phoned 911 and got out her trusty machete.
You come out with something like this,
Безобразие, да,
it's a
Бусик?
deal breaker right here.
Отобрали
Then
мяч,
she
да.
returned to the living room, swinging the machete.
Come on up here and sit your butt up here on the ground. Because you're going to wait for the cops and you're
Невоспитанный.
going to go to jail.
Sure enough, the intruder did as instructed. Then cops showed up and arrested 25-year-old Christopher Weaver. Terrell even took a picture of him in handcuffs.